Hi buddies, today in this video I am going to explain you how to um, install Ionic 3. So what all the options we need to get. So to install Ionic 3 in our MacBook, so we need to install Node.js, and also we need to install npm, and then through npm we can install Ionic 3 version. So before installing Ionic 3, so as I said, we need to install Node.js and npm. So if we install Node.js, we will automatically get npm also. So for that, we need to open a Node.js website, nodejs.org guys. So once you go here you can see download for Mac OS. As my operating system is Mac, so it's automatically detected and gave me the downloaded links of Mac version. If you open in Windows, it will directly give you the Windows links. So for example, now its latest version is 15.2, but it is not fully tested. So most of the users recommend us 14.15, but this 14.15 is useful for the latest version of Ionic, but still we are using Ionic 3. So Ionic 3, like most supported version of Node.js is 12. So if you click on other downloads, you come down, you can see here all download options, and then if you just click go back, here you can see all the versions of Node.js. Now come and click on 12, and here you can see Node version 12.19.0.pkg. So pkg is like package file for Mac. So just just download this. Once it's downloaded, it will just click download. Once it's download, it will open like this, and this is the package where it's going to install. So just click on continue, agree, install, and it will ask to enter the password of your Mac. You can install it, you can add it. It's installing now. So once it's installed, it will give the path. So for the safe side, you just copy the path and keep in a note, so that it will be useful for you whenever if you have any problems, you can directly go to this path and you can resolve it. Now we will check whether it's installed or not. For that, we need to open a terminal. So this is the terminal. Okay, so now let's search whether it's installed or not. Sudo node -v. So here sudo is for MacBook users, you need to enter sudo by default, it's compulsory. Now we will check npm. So both were installed. So now what we have to do, we need to install Ionic 3 now. So for that, npm install -g, -g or -g, whatever we can call it. It's like global, so that all options will be installed. If you write -g and come here and enter sudo and install, bingo, it's an installing, so without any errors. So this is very simple process. It's a 3-step process only. First, I installed Node.js. Second, I installed npm, where npm will be installed with Node.js. So we no need to install separately a npm version, and then install Ionic. So if you want to install Ionic 3, it's like Ionic at the rate 3.2.0. So that's it. So this is how we need to install the Ionic 3 version. Now we'll check whether it's installed or not. Ionic -v 3.2.0. So that's it. This is how we will install the Ionic. If you have any doubts, you can mention in comments. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.